that after this, they can already do like individual projects because they can step up, they can level up, and they have leveled up already in the show. All the more because of the chemistry. I think individually magaling, and then nung pinagsama-sama pa, all the more magaling. Kaya talaga when they're scenes together, makikita mo talaga ang powerful. Because Joa was right, parang you feel like you have to step up because may iwan ka. Because everyone talaga is delivering, whether it's comedy, whether it's drama, whether it's intense confrontations, everyone levels up and everyone delivers. And I'm so proud that, of course, si Donnie and si Belle, because syempre, they're the youngest na dito sa, I think yun dito sa group, na from the time we started to now, the growth as actors, they have matured so much. As in the scenes that they've done, because it's not just, they've done a lot of romantic films, series, and now they've gone beyond romance. They've gone beyond that. And I can say that after this, they can already do like individual projects because they can step up, they can level up, and they have leveled up already in the show. And I'm just so proud of how they have grown. And I am excited to see more from them after this.
Ooh, you guys have evolved. How do you feel about that? What can you say, Belle and Donnie?
I'm not saying na naman individual projects sila. I'm just saying that they can.
They can. No, they can evolve.
Every time yung nagsasalita ko yun, pinipigilan ko yung luha ko. Sabi ko, tumulog. Kasi, okay, wait, kakalma lang ako. I've always had conversations with Direk about Caroline. Matabi kasi kami. I remember dito sa hallway na to, we did our first scene kay Caroline, na kinakapa namin yung character ko kasi I've never done a character like this na very stoic, grabe yung power niya. Sabi ko, Direk, paano ko siya mamahalin? Pero si Direk, andun siya bawat step of the way with me to discover more about character, not just my character, with myself. Ayoko umiyak! Ano ba yan? Wait, with myself. So, like, I would say na Caroline is really etched in my heart na, not just because of Caroline, but because of everyone here. So, I'll always be grateful that I'm part of this journey, and it'll always leave a mark. And I think si Caroline, siya yung isang character sa buhay ko na hindi mawawala.
Siyempre kami naman hindi namin makagawa yung trabaho namin if we don't feel comfortable with those who are working with like Direk May, Direk Raymond, Direk Ian. Kasi we're given a safe space to really talk to them, and when we give them our suggestions, actually even before the scene, before we take, tinatanong muna sa amin, uy, paano nyo atakihin to as Bingo, knowing Caroline. So very cooperative, very collaborative. Everything that we do on set, we talk about first with our directors and with everyone around us. So I'm just so happy we were given a safe space to do that. Si Direk May, kasi mahirap din na umarte na hindi ka komportable talaga. So si Direk May, even when we're not taking, actually ka-text ko yan, sobrang naging komportable ako sa kanya. And I'm really happy that I've gained this relationship with her because it's my first time to ever work with her. And I'm just so happy na siya yung piniling director nito and she accepted this project because we were able to grow and we were given that space to really go past our comfort zone and do things that we didn't know even we can do.